Hello again. In this video, we're going to talk about the requirements for your Bio 110 online class.
The first requirement for Bio 110 is your textbook. There are a couple of ways to find the textbook information. The first one is through WebAdvisor. You can find the View Textbook Information below the course description. When you open that link, it takes you to the Wake Tech Bookstore webpage. Here you can see that the required textbook is the 5th edition of What is Life. Through our bookstore, you could purchase the loose leaf package, which will include the code for the online access to Achieve. Come over into Blackboard. We have a whole folder about the textbook in the lecture area. You can see the textbook requirements as well as links to register for Achieve, the online program. This program is not required, but it does have access to the electronic book. You can purchase just the electronic book using the link to Achieve ebook. There's also a 2-week free trial of Achieve if you need that to get started. In Achieve, you'll have access to the full textbook. This textbook is interactive. The table of contents is found on your left. There's also a notebook area where you can highlight and take notes in the textbook. When you open sections of your textbook, you will see the traditional text. There are also areas with bolded words, so your vocab terms, where you can find definitions. There are review questions throughout, and of course the figures. Each chapter also has practice materials at the end. The next requirement for this class is Respondus Lockdown Browser. You can find information about this in the exams area of Blackboard. The first thing you'll see is exam guidelines. Below that, you will find the information about the Respondus Lockdown Browser. You will need a webcam for this to work. This has information about how to get started as well as where to download the actual program. After downloading the browser, an icon will appear on your desktop that you can use during exams and for lab practicals. The third requirement for this class is called Odigia. This can be found in the lab area of Blackboard. Odigia is an online platform we will use for lab materials. The link for Odigia is found in the labs area. When you click on the link, you will be taken to the Odigia page. Each lab unit has a little drop-down arrow. Here you will find the learning objectives for each lab. Labs are broken down into different parts. You can see Unit 1 has 3 parts. Some of these are just reading, others have activities to go with them. When you click on one unit, you'll see the reading. Down below, there's a link to the assignments page. Alternatively, you can click on the Assignments tab at the top. Okay. Other resources include Activity Feed and the resources, and you can always go back to the reading using the selected content. In the assignments, you'll find different questions related to the lab material. At the end, you click the Submit to Instructor to turn this in. Other requirements for this class will include programs like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. The Google alternatives are also acceptable. If you'd like to learn more about course requirements or need more information, you can look at the syllabus found in the Course Resources area of Blackboard. I'm also available by email or chat in Teams if you have any questions. Until next time, be happy.